Next, we are going to look at the new rule. The angle at circumference subtended by a diameter is always 90 degrees. Now, this may look like a new rule, but actually it is not. It is just a continuation of what we have just learned. That is, the angle at the center is always 2 times the angle at the circumference. Let's look at the following diagram. Here we have a circle with a diameter. If we have an angle at the circumference that is subtended by the diameter, the angle at the circumference is always 90 degrees. Now, why is that so? Let's start with a diagram that we are familiar with. Here, the angle at the center is 120 degrees. Then, the angle at the circumference is 60 degrees. Let's move point B up a little bit. Now, the angle at the center is 140 degrees. Then, the angle at the circumference is 70 degrees. We are going to move point B up even more. Now, the angle at the center is 160 degrees. Then, the angle at the circumference is 80 degrees. And now, we are going to move point B up even more, to the point where AOB becomes a straight line. Now, AOB becomes the diameter of the circle. And the angle at the center is now 180 degrees. When the angle at the center is 180 degrees, the angle at the circumference is 90 degrees, because the angle at the center is always 2 times the angle at the circumference. And since we have learned that angles subtended by the same arc are equal, this angle and this angle, even this angle, are all equal. They are all 90 degrees. The rule is pretty simple. Now let's look at a few questions.